The penultimate success criterion for today is the 3.3.7 redundant entry, classified as a single A level requirement. The normative portion of the criterion says, information previously entered by or provided to the user that is required to be entered again in the same process is either auto-populated or available for the user to select, except when re-entering the information is essential, the information is required to ensure the security of the content, or previously entered information is no longer valid. This success criterion aims to ensure users can efficiently complete multi-step processes with minimal cognitive effort. Its goal is to reduce the necessity for users to input the same information repeatedly and facilitate the retention of details from previous steps. Retrieving information for input can pose significant challenges, particularly for users with cognitive or memory impairments. Additionally, all users may encounter mental fatigue as they progress through the steps in a process, which is compounded by the stress of recalling information from short-term memory. Those with learning and cognitive disabilities are especially vulnerable to this mental fatigue. Requiring individuals to recall previously entered information can indeed result in frustration, exasperation, potentially leading them to either abandon the task altogether or input the same information incorrectly. Who benefits from the application of this success criterion? People with cognitive disabilities who may encounter difficulties with short-term working memory. Those grappling with tasks involving memory creation, information recall, and other cognitive processes. Users contending with mobility impairments, such as those relying on assistive technologies such as switch control or voice input methods. Yet the benefits extend beyond users with disabilities alone. How often do we encounter frustration when forms insist on redundant entry of previously submitted data? With no doubt, this criterion will be beneficial for all users. I will provide a few examples to better clarify the purpose of this success criterion. This slide features a form for the payment step of an e-commerce platform. It prompts user to input billing and payment method details. Despite users already providing shipping information, the system does not permit them to reuse this data for the billing address. This current implementation, of course, does not fulfill the success criterion. In this second example, we encounter a situation which is similar to the previous one as we navigate through the payment step of a checkout process. However, here, a checkbox labeled billing address is the same as shipping address is provided. When this checkbox is selected, there is no need to re-enter the information. This example meets the success criterion. This slide, regarding again the redundant entry success criterion, addresses a quite common exception. In this case, during the account creation process, users are asked to choose a password and confirm it. Confirming the password is essential to ensure accuracy in entering it. Hence, even though the system does not automatically populate or provide an option for users to select previously entered data, it still satisfies the success criterion.